Good morning. In the last class, we have discussed about maxima and minima and by Lagrange's method. Now, in this class, we will discuss about multiple integrals. So, in multiple integrals, first of all, actually, in the previous classes, we have seen about how to use the method of integration to find the area of a bounded region, right? But in this how to use the method of double integration to find the area. So now we are going to discuss about double integration. In the one of the topic in multiple integration is double integration. So our main topic is multiple integrals. This is next unit actually. So in this double integration, Cartesian form. Right? Actually, suppose R region, R can be described by inequalities. So R can be described by inequalities A less than equal to X less than equal to B, and y1 of x is less than equal to y is less than equal to y2 of x. So R can be described by inequalities, these two conditions. Then, so here y is equal to y1 of x, y is equal to y2 of x is the required bounded region, right? Now how to integrate this one? So here y1 and y2 are function of x. So in that case, here integral a to b, here y1 of x to y2 of x. Suppose here function is f of x comma y dx dy. This is the integral value. Now how to integrate this function? Double integration. So first of all, here y1 and y2 are function of x. Then write first of all, so here integral, these are the x limits, x is equal to a to x is equal to b. Here, so y is equal to y1 of x, here y is equal to y2 of x. So here y1, y2 are functions of x, y1, y2 are function of x. Then here we have to integrate with respect to y first, then integrate with respect to x. So this is the process for finding double integration. So suppose the region defined in this interval, right? Suppose a region is defined here a less than equal to y less than equal to b, and here x1 of y is less than equal to x less than equal to x2 of y. So R can be described by this inequalities. Then so here integral, double integration can be write as here y is equal to a and y is equal to b. Here x is equal to x1 of y, here x is equal to x2 of y. So function f of x comma y dx. So here x1, x2 are a function of y. That's why here integration with respect to x first, then integration with respect to y. Right? This is the process. Now we are going to discuss about one example of double integration. Right? Now what is the integral? Evaluate integral 0 to 1 integral x to root x, function is x square plus y square dx dy. This is our problem. Evaluate integral 0 to 1 x to root x x square plus y square dx dy. Now here integrate here function limits are x, so that means these are the limits of y. So then integrate with respect to y first, then integration with respect to x, right? Now take given a problem. So integral 0 to 1, here integral x to root x square plus y square dx dy. So this is our given problem. Now here integration with respect to y first. That's why here write these are the x is equal to 0 to 1. Here y is equal to x2 root x. Function is x square plus y square dy. So integration with respect to y first. So into dx, right? Now here integral value, integral 0 to 1 x square plus y square dy. Now here integral x square dy. So here integration with respect to y, x square is constant. So integral dy is y plus here y square dy. Y square integration y cube by 3. So integration is over. Now limits, right, limits x to root x, right, then into dx. Now substitute upper limit and lower limit in place of y. 0 to 1. Now here x square root x plus root x whole cube by 3. Upper limit minus lower limit x square into x plus x cube by 3. So just substitute upper limit minus lower limit in place of y. Okay. Now here write simplify this integral 0 to 1 root x. Root x means x power 1 by 2. X power 1 by 2 x square. So that is x power 5 by 2 plus here x power 1 by 2 power 3. So then that is x power 3 by 2 by 3, right? So now here minus x cube plus x cube by 3. So here take LCM. So 3x cube plus x cube, 4x cube by 3. So then integration with respect to x. Okay. Now write x power 5 by 2 dx. So x power 5 by 2 integration x power 5 by 2 plus 1. So 5 by 2 plus 1 is 7 by 2 by 7 by 2 plus here x power 3 by 2 integration is x power 3 by 2 plus 1. So that is 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 here 3 into 3 minus 4 by 3 is constant x cube integration x power 4 by 4. So now integration is over. Write limits from 0 to 1. Then substitute upper and lower limit. Right here. Now here 2 by 7. 7 by 2 take into numerator. 2 by 7. X power 7 by 2. Upper limit 1. Right here 1. Plus. Here this is 2 by 5 into 3. That is 2 by 15. X power 5 by 2. That is also upper limit 1. Minus. Here 4 cancel. Upper limit 1 by 3. So clearly lower limit 0. Right? Simplifying this. So here 2 by 7, 2 by 15 minus 1 by 3. So what is the LCM here? The LCM is 15, 7, 3. So that's why I write 105 is the LCM. Here 105 in 7, 15 times, 15 twos are 30 plus here 15, 105, 7 times. So that is 7 into 2 minus here 35 times. So 35. Now 44 minus 35. So that is 9 by 105. So that's why here write 3 by 35. This is the value of given integration. Right? This is one problem, and next one more problem. So first of all, here the problem is evaluate double integral over r y dx dy. Double integral over r y dx dy, where r is the capital R is the region bounded by parabolas, so y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4y. So in this problem here we have to give given R is the region bounded with these two curves, right, that are parabolas. Now first of all, here double integration with respect to x and y, then what are the limits of x and y? First of all, we have to find limits of x and y. So how to find limits of x and y? From given curves. So here given curves are parabolas, right? So first of all, draw the curve, right? Right, so here y square is equal to 4x is the parabola symmetrical about x-axis. So that is here this is the parabola symmetrical about x-axis, that is y square is equal to 4x, here x square is equal to 4y, symmetrical about y-axis. So that is, now this is x square is equal to 4y, now this is y square is equal to 4x, right? Now this is the required region. So now here we have to find area of this one. Okay, now first of all, what are the points of intersection of these two curves? Now first we can find points of intersection. So first of all, write given, what are the given here? So y square is equal to 4x and this is equation 1, and x square is equal to 4y, this is equation 2. Now find the points of intersection. So suppose take y square is equal to 4x, right? That implies here from second equation, so what is y value? Here y is right as x square by 4, right? So now substitute in this, y is x square by 4. Now x square by 4 is y. Here we have y square. So that's why right, square is equal to 4x. Now simplifying this, x power 4, x square square, x power 4 by 4 square, that is 16 is equal to 4x. That implies x power 4 minus 64x is equal to 0. Now take x common, here we get x cube minus 64. 64 can be write as 4 cube is equal to 0. That's why here we get x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 4. Here x is equal to 0 or x cube minus 4 cube is equal to 0. That means x cube is equal to 4 cube. Then write x is equal to 4. Right? So suppose here if x is equal to 0, then what is y here? If x is equal to 0 here, here x is equal to 0, then write here y is equal to 0. And if x is equal to 4, so here y square is equal to 4, 16. So then y is equal to 4. That's where we get the points of intersection. The points of intersection, or what are the points here? So if x is equal to 0, then y is 0. That's why we get 0 comma 0 is the one point. If x is equal to 4, then we get y is also 4. So that means we get 4 comma 4. Now 0 comma 0 is the origin. This is origin, and here the point is 4 comma 4. That is in first quadrant, right? So these are the points of intersection. Now to take x and y limits. So first of all here we have to fix one variable, right? So here we fix x, right? So here x varies from 0 to 4, y is also varies from 0 to 4, so we can take any one, right? So that's way, so if we fix x, we get x varies from 0 to 4. Then what about y? So to get y limits here, so these are the, this is the required curve, right? Here to get y limits, then here this is the lower curve, right? So take this one, this is lower curve. So lower curve, what is lower curve here? X square is equal to 4y. So that's why from this write y is equal to x square by 4, right? Now this is the upper curve. What is curve? This curve is y square is equal to 4x. Now from this y is equal to, what is y? Root 2x. Now the limits taken as y x square by 4 root x. So what is lower limit and what is upper limit? So here this is lower curve, take y is equal to x square by 4 is lower curve, and lower limit y is equal to root 2x is the upper limit, right? So then given double integral over r y dx dy, this is our given integral. Now here we fix x. Now x varies from 0 to 4, so right here x is equal to 0 to 4. Then y varies from here, lower limit y varies from x square by 4 to root 2. Now here y limits y square is equal to 4x, then write y is equal to 2 root x. Now so here write y is equal to x square by 4 to 2 root x y dx dy. So that is equal to, here x is equal to 0 to 4, 0 to 4, here x square by 4 to 2 root x y dy. Now here integrate with respect to y first, then into dx, right? Now right here integral 0 to 4. So now integral of y integration is y square by 2. Now substitute upper limit and lower limit. Here lower limit is x square by 4, here upper limit is 2 root x. So then into dx. Now here integral 0 to 4, substitute upper limit and lower limit, 2 root x whole square, here 1 by 2 is a constant, minus x square by 4 whole square into dx, right? Now here simplify this, integral 0 to 4, now what is the value here? 2 square, 4 root x is x, minus x power 4 by 4 into dx. Now integration of this function. Now here 1 by 2 into, so here 4 constant, x integration is x square by 2 minus x power 4 integration is x power 5 by 5 into 4. So integration is over, limits 0 to 4. Now substitute upper limit and lower limit in place of x. Here 1 by 2 into, this is 2 cancel, 2 into upper limit 4 square, right, minus here 4 power 5 by 5 into 16. Okay. In this 4 square is common value. Now here 4 square common, then we get 16. 16 by 2 is 16 by 2 is 8 into, right? So here 4 square common, then 2 is here, then here 4 square common, 4 cube. 4 cube means 4 square 4. 4 square 16. 16 cancel. Here we get 4 by 5. So then here take LCM. So 10 minus 4, 6. So 8 6 are 48 by 5. So this is the value of given integral bounded with parabolas y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4y, right? So this is the problem on these are the problems on double integration, right? So in Cartesian form. So in the next class we will discuss about double integration by polar form, right? Thank you.